Let's create a quilt that requires modifying an existing block. Let's get started with a 15-inch block. We'll start by opening the block library. Open the Diamond in a Square folder. Then find the diamond block. Click Open, and we notice that the block is about 4 inches square. We want to change that to a 12-inch block. Click Effects, then Resize to. Enter 12 into each field and then click OK. Now we have a 12-inch square block. To make it easier, let's set up some guidelines. Click Options, then Screen Settings. Select the Guidelines tab. Then, let's set our patch size to 1 inch. We'll set the patches across and down to 15 each. We'll select Show Patch Guidelines to help design the block. We'll also set the guidelines to display over the block. Now let's click OK. Select the block by using the Select tool and dragging around the entire block. Then move the block until it lines up with the grid. Another thing we need to do is to set the grid to a certain size so it's easier to draw the block. It was originally set to a 1/4 inch grid, but let's set it to a 1/2 inch grid. Click OK, and we see that the block's position changed slightly. Let's add some flying geese to the side of this block. Click the Triangle tool. Then draw the triangle until it fits into the column. Now, let's color that triangle so we can see what we're doing. Let's fill in the empty space with triangles as well. We could repeat this drawing pattern all the way down, but it's easier to just select the set of 3 patches, duplicate it, then put it in place. Repeat that until the column is full. Now, let's add a series of squares along the bottom row. Using the Square tool, draw the same way we did before, duplicating, positioning, and coloring each square. Now that we have the finished block, let's see it in a quilt. Click Quilt Wizard and use the default options. Click OK, and there's our design. Now, just color the border using the Color Select and Color Picker tools.